Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until midnight at 11:06 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from Havre, Delaware, Grace to 5 nautical miles northwest of Severn River, moving east to 20 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Colchester Beach, Northeast River, Turkey Point, Mills River, wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.